Hello, it's Mrs. Atkinson here. One of your activities this week in the afternoon is to make some buns, because we thought we'd have a bit of a celebration when we're all back in school together, because we've missed each other so much. Now, the bun recipe is the easiest recipe that you can make and you can follow. So, I'm going to show it to you first. I've written it in very, very big writing. So it says how to make buns. Number 1 says mix 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of sugar. That is the first thing we need to do. So you need to get a scale like this, or a balance scale. You need to put your bowl on it like this. Make sure it's on 0. It's so easy, honestly. Now you can put all the ingredients in, or you can put one in and mix it together with the next one, then add the next one and mix that, or put it all in together. It's up to you. It works just the same with buns. So, 100 grams of butter, and I've already measured it out. So I'm going to put that into the bowl. Now children, you can do this all by yourselves. Mummies and daddies can just stand at the side and have a drink. Cup of tea. So I've put 100 grams of butter. I'm going to put it back to 0 grams, and I'm going to put 100 grams of sugar. So I'm going to watch. So I need 100. That's 18. 36 grams. 55 grams. 75 grams. 96. We're nearly at 100. 96, 97, 98, 100. So 100 grams of sugar as well. Now, I'm going to give that a little mix before I add the 2 eggs. So I need to mix it, if you want to have a little look. It's called creaming, actually. It's called creaming the butter and the sugar. You're pushing it to the side to make it mix together. Push, push like this, pushing it to the side and mixing it together. Sonny's very good at making buns. He's watching me at the moment, but he doesn't want to be on video, but that's fine, isn't it? Because he likes watching, that's why. So when you've mixed the butter and the sugar together, again, you can do this all by yourselves, boys and girls. You do not need mummies and daddies' help. There we go. That's mixed beautifully. It's called creaming. Whoa, going very fast. There we go. So that's the butter and the sugar. Then you need to add 2 eggs. Now this is the bit where you have to crack it on the side and then quickly put it in the middle so it doesn't dribble onto your table. So crack it on the side. Then you can get your thumbs in, hold it, get your thumbs in, break it apart and let it drop into your bowl. So that's 1 egg. And then you can mix that together with the butter and the sugar. In foundation stage, for many years, we have let children do this all by themselves in the baking area. We haven't had time to do it this year, but maybe in the summer term, we can hopefully ask 4 children at a time to make some buns, and they do it all by themselves independently. Right, egg number 2 ready. Crack it in the middle of the bowl, open it up and let your egg go inside. Mix it up again. You see it's mixing up beautifully, isn't it? You can use an electric whisk, but it's easy just to show you by hand using a wooden spoon. Do that. It dribbled out. Can you see it dribbling? Uh-oh. Right. Now is the time to add your flour. So you need 100 grams of self-raising flour. That means it helps the buns rise a little bit so they're not flat. So 100, let me see if I can get to 100. 33, not 100 yet. 53, no. 100, Perfect. Then you have to really, really carefully mix the flour in, because it does fly everywhere if I mix it really fast. Did you see some come out then? Oh, and again. I do like baking. I hope you do at home. Then this is the bit. When you've done it slow, you need to get a bit quicker now. You need to make sure that it's mixed in really, really well. Can you see? So let's remind ourselves. We've got 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, and 100 grams of self-raising flour. There we go. You can add a little bit of vanilla extract. Let me see if I've got some in my brilliant drawer that normally has lots and lots of things in. I don't think I've got any. I normally do have things in. I haven't got any today. So there we go. But you will remember when you do it yourself, you've got to make sure you give it a really, really good mix. And it's got to be like that. Can you see? So it plops off your spoon very, very easily. Right, now this is the bit. If you want to, you can add some chocolate chips. Now I'm going to ask Sonny if he wants some chocolate chips in these buns or not. Would you like some in, Sonny? Let me just check that they're okay, because my daughter Rosa can't have dairy. So we're not allowed to use anything with dairy in. So I think I'm going to add, oh, they're massive chocolate chips. Look at those, Sonny. Oh, go on, Sonny's going to eat that one. Right, so I've added about half a packet. There we go. Oh, lovely jubbly. Give that a mix. Now we are ready to put the bun mixture into the cases. So, first job, Mrs. Atkinson, is to clean this up because it looks rather messy. So that's my job number 1. There we go. I'm actually not a very messy baker. I'm quite a tidy baker. There's my bun tray. Now we have got 3, 3, 3 and 3. Does anybody know how many altogether, how many buns we are going to make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 buns. So I need bun case, nice spotty ones, and then we've got some nice pink spotty ones as well. Oh, and some nice yellow spotty ones. There we go. There we go. Right, now I need a big tablespoon like that, because I am going to try and place a little bit of mixture in each of the bun cases. So what you need to do is get a tablespoon, make sure you're not dribbling anywhere, put it above the bun case, don't touch the bun case, and with the other spoon gently plop it in without touching the paper case. Try that again, so make sure you're not dribbling everywhere, and drop it in. Again, ooh, I'm nearly dribbling. Just above the bun case and drop it in. Now, I'm going to carry on doing this, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven. I normally, you must ask a mummy or daddy or an adult to do this, I normally put the oven on about 190 degrees. So you need to ask mummies and daddies to do that bit and to put the buns in the oven. So you don't have to do that bit because the oven is very, very, very hot. Well done. I'm going a bit quick now so we can get organised. We've got 1 to do there. I'm running out of mixture. I've got 1 there. Now, when I start running out of mixture, what I do is get myself a spatula like this. And I scrape, let me see if I can show you. I scrape the mixture, look, and I can see lots more mixture if I scrape it from around the sides. There we go. Now, let's see if we can get a few more buns. One there. And I need one more. And I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get another one. That's a really tiny one in there. I might steal some mixture. There we go. And I might steal some mixture from this one because that's a fat bun, isn't it? There we go. All done. And that, boys and girls, oh, look at all that mixture there, look at that. Put that in, don't waste the mixture. The lovely thing about baking at home is that you can lick the bowl afterwards. That's something that we're not allowed to do in school, but you can do that at home if mummies and daddies don't mind. There we go, 12 delicious buns with some chocolate chips inside. And I'm going to put them in the oven for about 12-13 minutes. So again, mummies and daddies can help you with that. I have saved some of the kitchen safety rules under the channel for you to have a look at, because this week you're going to try and do hopefully some buns and to help mummies and daddies do some cooking. Pardon? Okay, thank you, Sonny. Right. Okay, have fun. I'll put these in the oven and then see what they look like in a moment. I'll try and pause it and start it again, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Have fun. Bye. Don't say bye, Sonny. You say bye. Bye. Hello, I'm back and the buns are ready. They've had about probably 15 minutes, I think. We added a couple of extra. And it is very, very hot, so mummies and daddies must do this bit. There we go. They're the buns and they look delicious. You can see the chocolate chips in the top of that one, and these have chocolate chips and that one there. So yeah, delicious. The only thing left to do, they need to cool. So the only, that's why you have to be very careful and ask mummies and daddies, is put them on a cooling rack so that they cool down, ready to eat, obviously. There we go. And that can go over there very carefully. There you go, boys and girls, so you can decorate them or just eat them as they are with the chocolate chips in. You can put mini marshmallows in as well, that would be good. Okay, bye.